Hello, I'm going to show you how to install ZeroDamage Tempered Glass on an iPad 10.2. This tutorial will also work for similar tablet devices. To start, use the alcohol wipes to thoroughly clean the touchscreen. Take the lint-free cloth and wipe screen from top to bottom, ensuring all fingerprints and smudges are removed. Use the dust absorber sticker to ensure the screen is free of any lint or dust particles. Included in the kit is a guide tray. This assures your screen protector is properly aligned during install. Snap it in place around the screen's edges. Next, peel back the protective layer from the screen protector with the adhesive side facing the touchscreen. Line up the top edge of the protector to the guide tray. Slowly peel away the protective layer while pressing down on the screen protector to begin the self-adhering process. Lastly, use the microfiber cloth to remove any bubbles starting from the center, pushing outwards towards the sides. This process may take a few minutes. That's it! Your screen is now fully protected with ZeroDamage Tempered Glass, and you're ready to install a SaharaCase.